touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon. Every time you are not around, slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting.